Okay, hey everyone, and welcome to the video here. I am Brian Jacobsen, and I'll tell you in this video how a mindset shift actually happens, how you can get going right away. And yeah, without further ado, let's get going. So, look at me here behind. I'm going to share a few slides here, and you can take a look for it. Okay, I'm going to move my head. This is a slide with state A. So, that's the mindset that you might be in right now. It's just an example for you. And what is a mindset really here? A mindset is what you have been experiencing so far in your life, right? So the past week, the experiences that you had in that week is determined by your mindset. And it's also what you expect the next week or just an hour from now. That is all made from your mindset that you have right now. Okay. So if you're not satisfied with your past week, or if there's something new you want in your life, what you really want to do is how to shift your mindset into that new possibility. And I'm going to show you how to do that here, how we do it in our workshops, and not that much explanation, more so how you can get started. So sit back, take some notes, and you can actually apply this right away afterwards. So as you see here behind me, yes, my fingers here. The old mindset is like I'm not ready yet usually, or it's I need to do more in my life to get the new things that I want to have that new experience of my life, or maybe later I can start living the life I want when things calm down and so on. You all know that's why you're here, right? You all know this mindset that procrastinates, that believes that you're needed to do something that's really, really difficult for you to do in order to live the life that you want. And I'm going to show you here that's not the case. You just never taught how to do it in this manner. Okay, so state A is that's the world you experience right now. You want to get into, I'm going to put my finger here. You want to get into state A, state B over here, right? And what you have here is the bridges. So there are three bridges that you can use, and you have to use them. Bridge A, or bridge one, is open the space. We're going to tap into it right after. Bridge two is install the new mindset. And bridge three is how to anchor it in your body. And it's actually the third bridge that most people skip, also here on the YouTube channels, also here online. That's the bridge that most people don't tell you how to navigate that and anchor it into the body and start living it right now. So we're going to show you how to do that. I'm not saying it's easy. There are some skill sets that you need to develop to make it, to master it, but this is how you get at it. So all this is what we activate together in 3 steps in the workshops that we also have here at AMindForYou. So if you're interested in those after the video, check out the link below. We have a free introduction tomorrow, depending on when you watch this, or we have the entire workshop available for all of you. So this is the new mindset over here. You are the version that you imagine possible. You don't have to use imagination any longer. So state A, right? This is the mindset that you're experiencing right now. So usually the mindset that it's you're not ready yet, or I tried everything, or I need to do more, or why isn't it working? All this kind of stuff that the mind comes up with for why you're not living a life of your dreams right now. Usually, people are waiting for something to change in their circumstances before they can be the version they want to be. And that is what blocks you from actually living the life you want. So that's the state A. That's what you are having right now. And the first step is to open the space. Open the space. And right now, you could do that with your breath. So there's a lot of breath work you can do to open that space within that we all have access to. Breathwork is a great gateway, it's a good bridge to open it up. Meditation. I think a lot of you already tried meditation and opened that space and sit in that silence within yourself. And if you already mastered this, you're well prepared to the second step that we have available for you. And silence. So to open a space for something new, open the room for something new. That means the opposite of acquiring more information. You don't need a new practice. You don't need another thing. You don't need to read more. You don't need to talk with a lot of other people. You need that space to open up. So that's the first step, right? Get into that space. And what do you do in that space when you have access, when you've opened it up? You start to install the new mindset. And a new mindset, that means you can see who you want to be or what it is that you want, right? And you can see it in a way that you feel like already having it. You have to install the version of yourself that you want to be right now, not how to get to it, not the steps. You don't imagine the steps. You have to install the mindset as it is, being the one you want to be. And some of the methods that we have applied is to have an active imagination, helping you, guiding you with questions that is very specific for you to see what it is you want to create, access in yourself, and experience afterwards, as we're done with the session. Then you feel it. So maybe some of you have know the feel it, see it, feel it, and be it. A great practice of Bentinho Massaro, but also a lot of other practitioners have guided that one. Maybe you are a student of Neville Goddard's teachings of you have to feel the wish fulfilled. And there's a very simple reason why to do so. All the thoughts that we have access to right now, the mindset you have access to right now, is based on frequencies. And those frequencies can be changed by your feeling state. So when you feel great, you access those thoughts and that mindset of yours that is in alignment with feeling great. So installing the new mindset, what you do is you can use it by active imagination. You can access it by the right questions, and we can help with that. And then you start to feel it now. You start to tune into the frequency and access the right thoughts. And this is important for the third bridge, which is actually what's going to activate it for you. So right now it's only an imagination, right? There's nothing here in the physical that has shown up from what we're practicing so far, except that you feel different. So the third bridge here is anchoring in the body. So you can, of course, anchor a feeling in. You can breathe it in. You can feel that. You can access it. But what we do in the workshops, which really works and accelerates the change and the new mindset, so you will experience it much quicker in your physical reality, is by mini habits. So as you're in the new state, you might be in your subconscious mind in the new state, we will guide you in a way of identifying mini habits that is in alignment with your new version of yourself, that new mindset. And those mini habits, you will find daily rhythm of activating them. And the great thing with mini habits is it's not an hour long. It's not even half an hour long. It's 5 minutes, maybe less, that you start doing on a daily basis that activates the new version of you. And then the inspired actions, the inspired way of living, whatever it is that you wanted to change, will happen more and more and accelerate in your physical experience. So that's the way we anchor it in the body and bring it to life in your physical reality in an accelerated manner by mini habits. Now that's a skill, right? You have to train that skill to access the calm within space, activate your imagination correctly from the state of being that you want to access and experience, and then identify mini habits in alignment with that frequency that you can apply here and now. So those are the three skills. When you master them, you can shift your mindset into what you want and start to experience life transformed before your very eyes here and now. So those are the three skills that we train. And when you train them, and actually you're doing it right now, but you might be doing it unconsciously, that's why you constantly shift into the mindset, which is not the new one you want, but the previous one and the previous one, and repeat the same patterns. We do it for the new, and that means you access that state B as you see behind me here. And the world with it becomes possible. You'll see it. You'll get the opportunities. They will be sent to you. You don't go out and chase things when you change your mindset. The opportunities that you want will be sent to you. You'll meet the right people, just like you met this video here right now at the right time. So that's how you activate a new mindset. That's what I wanted to share with you here, just an introduction for it, and even how you can apply the methods. You will find ways to do that. And we have also videos here on the channel that can help you for the meditation, for the imagination. And the workshop is what I really recommend. So tomorrow, Saturday, 4th July, this one is 3rd July. 4th July, you can have a free intro session, or if that date has skipped your timeline, the new mindset workshop.meetmira.live, that's where we have these workshops ongoing and the community is growing on a daily basis. You can access it. You can come join us, have a talk with me. I'm there. And my team is also, and of course, the community that is ready to experience the same thing with us. So jump on. Workshop begins on the 18th of July with active practices, one session every second weekend, and we repeat that for 3 months. So you can master your life, start to see the version of yourself that you like, and meet, of course, the wonderful people that is aligned with that version of you. That means a different way engaging with your partner. That means a different way of engaging with your friends. The career you have access to, everything changes when we change our mindset. Eating habits, health, wealth, you name it. So I'm very excited about this. Probably you can hear that already in my voice and the way I share this. Uh, Free intro session. You can feel the shift. I will guide you through these steps in the free intro session just one time. You can see it's something for you. You will be different afterwards. Of course, to anchor it, I advise you to join the full workshop 18th of July. Okay, so that was a mind for you here. I'm Brian Jacobsen again. And if all of this is too much for you, you don't know where to start, and the workshop does not fit your schedule, you can try MIRA for free. So MIRA over here is an AI trainer, an AI consciousness trainer, which will actually activate the same things with you when you talk with it, you share your experience, and it will help you to identify the belief systems that might going on for you right now that holds you back, and yes, make them shift, help you to identify mini habits. MIRA also does that. And it's also available for everyone in the workshop. You'll have access to it. Yes, so try it out if that's what's available for you right now. You can have a free access, some questions for you, of course, to answer for the free version. And then you'll have 3 days to get going. And that's enough to actually make a change in our lives. So yeah, that's what I had for you here. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked it. Give it a like. If you do, share it with someone who might be interested in the workshop. Also, doing it together with people is creating much faster results. The practices that we give people are very easy. Everyone can do them. And let me just put me down here. So all of this is to activate your new mindset. And when you got the skills for that, you can do that on your own, on repeat. And again, it benefits your health, wealth, it benefits your joy, your mood, whatever it is you want to make a change for. A new mindset is the first step. Okay, lots of things here. Thank you very much for watching. Give it a like, share it, and join our channels. There should be links below where you can see more of that information. Brian Jacobsen here, wishing you a wonderful day and excited to see you activate your power from within. That's where we all can make a change in the world, see a new world, and be the change we want and wish for. Take care, everyone, and see you in the next video. Choo choo.